Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody is fine. And today, once again, I'm Azra Khanam from Khoobsurat Cloth Emporium with a new collection of Georgette party wear suits with the chicken curry and zari work. So, I will open one by one suit and show you in detail. It's very easy to book your order. Once again, I'm telling you that very easy to book your order. You can simply take the screenshot from the video and WhatsApp me at 7838524296. You can also visit our store Khoobsurat Cloth Emporium, which is on Muradi Road, Batla House, Okhla. It is very near from the Jamia metro station. So there are three colors. This is yellow, so mustard kind of yellow. This is golden, and this is sea green. So in this range, three colors are available now for the booking. In this series, we have stitched sharara. I will open it and show you. This is dupatta in pure chiffon with the border. All four-side border is here. You can see. No, this is the border. Dupattas are very good in size, big in size. See. This is the lining for the top, for the jumper. This is very elegant collection actually. Those who don't want to have very heavy party wear, they can opt it for any occasion. See, this is light embroidery, chicken curry embroidery. Full work in the front side, you can see. This is the daman. The length you can adjust according to your height. This is the daman here. See the work, the zari work with the chicken curry work. This is the embroidery done on the front part of the jumper. This is how it looks. Now see the full jumper, full top. Now sharara is very nice. I'm going to open the sharara. It's very good. It's very attractive. It's fully stitched. You can alter from the top as per your height and length. The whole work is here. Pretty good flare also. See the flare. One pancha and the other pancha. So it's having very good flare also. And the embroidery you can see. Chicken curry, very subtle embroidery and very detailed kind of embroidery. You can see. These are kalidar shararas. See. It's very nice. The color is very good. This is with the lining. It is fully stitched. Very nice collection. You can see the flow, the fall. Now it will look like a garara also if you have long kurti on it. It's like this, See. This is the look. See the look. The one flare is just like that. So it's simply very easy to book your order. You have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 7838524296. We deliver all over India. There is no issue. We do courier. You can book online and get your order delivered at your doorstep. Very elegant piece, very smart and elegant piece, you can see. It's a highly sophisticated look. The stitching is very fine. You can see the inner part also with this kind of patti at the end in the inner. So it gives a very nice look. This is the flare. One pancha and the other pancha. Giving full ghera. Nice color, very subtle embroidery and very nice, pretty dress for any party, for any occasion. second color I'm going to open. This is the second color, which is very suitable for the haldi function also, for any party, especially for the haldi and all. This is yellow color. It's a haldi wala color hai ye. The same border, 4 side borders. The dupatta, the quality is very fine. It's very soft. It's a pure kind of thing. Again, this is the lining for the top. This is shirt. Top with a full work. So I'll show you from the closer look. See, this is the neck with the zari and chikankari work. You can see it from the very close look. The whole panel is being made here in the front. And this is daman. Daman is fully work, full work. There's a full work in the daman. You can see zari work plus chikankari work. Resham ka work hai isme. Chikankari work. It's a very elegant piece. In terms of the designing, in terms of the color, in terms of the style. You see the work and daman. It's a full work on the daman. Highly elegant piece. Fabric is also very good. It's the best option for those who are having a bit bulky, body. So it gives a fall, So in falling fabric, people look thinner. This is the top. आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Please do watch all my videos. I'm uploading almost every day one video with a very nice collection, hard to find anywhere else. See this. This is the full flare garara, sharara, kalida sharara actually. See the flare is also very good. This is how it looks, the full flare. The work, the kalis attached here. You can see the flow, the fall of the fabric and the work, zari plus resham chikankari work. It's very nice work here. Same kind of stitching is done here also. With this lining, with the patti. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to open the third color, which is golden color. शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा चैनल एंड प्लीज़ डू वॉच ऑल द वीडियोज़. You will get wonderful collection on my YouTube channel, Khoobsurat Cloth Emporium. See, this is the golden color. It's equally very nice color with a very subtle embroidery with the resham and chikankari. Resham chikankari work with the zari work. It's blended very nicely. See this, the pattern, the style is very good. You can see here. This is the daman. I'm getting very good response from you all. Hope I'll get the same kind of love and affection and support and orders from you all guys. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your likings, sharings and giving your precious time. So this is the top. Thanks for watching us also. See this is the full look of the top. I'm going to open this. This is again the top inner dupatta with a very nice fabric. You can see, by look you can see the kind of quality it is having. It's very nice fall and it's pure fabric. This is again the full flare sharara, kalidar sharara with the chicken curry work, with nicely blended with the zari work. See the kind of patterns, heavy work on a very reasonable price. If you want to know the price and you want to book your order, you have to simply WhatsApp me. The number is 7838524296, and those who are in Delhi, they can visit our store. It is in Muradi Road. It's very near to Jamia Metro Station. So do visit us once if you are in Delhi, and if you are not in Delhi, you can order me through WhatsApp. You can have the dress of your choice. Quality is assured here. There is no issue of the quality. You can see the picture I am showing, the fabric, the stuff, and the item, whatever I am showing, whatever you will send, the same item will be dispatched to you. See, this is full flare sharara. Anybody can wear it. So nice. So guys, thank you very much. It's enough for today, I think. So hope you will watch my video, you will share it, you will subscribe my channel, and definitely you're going to order and you're going to get very good quality at Khoobsurat Cloth Emporium. So thank you once again for giving me your precious time. Hope you will watch my video and share it and subscribe it, and definitely you're going to order it. Once you will order it, then only you can understand what kind of quality we are providing. And thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video soon.